The highly anticipated arrival of the Apple iPhone 16 series in September 2024 has sparked widespread enthusiasm among technology aficionados. As we excitedly await its release, it's interesting to speculate on what surprises Apple has in store for us. With multiple leaks and rumors circulating regarding potential improvements and features, let's take a minute to compile all of the most recent predictions and key leaks about the impending iPhone 16 series. First, let's discuss display technology. The forthcoming iPhone 16 is expected to have some significant advances in display technology. One of the most notable aspects is the use of micro-lens technology in OLED screens, which promises increased brightness and lower power consumption. By arranging billions of lenses in a similar pattern, internal reflection is reduced, resulting in increased apparent brightness without depleting the battery. Furthermore, Apple has made considerable advances to the materials used in OLED panels, making them more power efficient. Apple is also including border reduction structure, BRS, technology in some iPhone 16 models to further improve the visual experience. Slimmer bezel proportions are made possible by this cutting-edge technology, which enables a more efficient and compact arrangement of the circuitry beneath the display. Users may thus anticipate a more streamlined look without sacrificing the performance of the display. One thing is certain, though, Apple is always pushing the limits of technology to provide the greatest user experience. It is yet unclear if the thinner bezels will be limited to the iPhone 16 Pro models or applied to the full roster. Prepare to be astounded by the gorgeous display and svelte design of the iPhone 16. The chips from the A series come next. According to newly discovered leaks on Apple's processor portfolio, the A18 chip will power every iPhone 16 variant. The A18 and 18 Pro variants, however, may be distinguished from one another by having specific modules deactivated or binned. It is anticipated that the A18 processor, which is intended for the iPhone 16 Pro models, would have a bigger die area to prevent overheating and improve neural engine with substantially more cores for greater AI and machine learning capabilities. According to rumors, Apple is working on a graphene thermal system for the iPhone 16 series, which is expected to provide a new thermal design. Additionally, the iPhone 16 Pro versions may come with metal battery casings to improve heat dispersion. With its higher thermal conductivity than copper, now found in iPhone heat sinks, graphene has the potential to revolutionize heat management. Additionally, the 8GB of RAM that the regular iPhone 16 models may get is a boost from the 6GB that the iPhone 15 models had. This implies that 8GB of RAM will probably be available in all 4 iPhone 16 versions. Let's go on to discussing AI's capabilities. Advanced language models will enable Apple to provide interesting new AI features in the upcoming iOS 18. The most advanced functions, meanwhile, could only be available on the iPhone 16 models. The on-device AI capabilities may only be available on the iPhone 16, even if iOS 18 will provide numerous new features to all iPhone models. iOS 18's improved AI features when improve Siri's communication with the Messages app, create customized Apple Music playlists, connect with productivity applications to create content with AI assistants, and much more. Regarding the iPhone 16 models, it is anticipated that they will include an enhanced microphone to enhance the AI-powered Siri experience. Better water resistance and a higher signal-to-noise ratio will be provided by this upgraded microphone, greatly enhancing the Siri experience overall. According to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, this improved microphone may result in an improved Siri experience. Let's talk about camera technology next. There are rumors that the next iPhone 16 Pro models will have some intriguing camera improvements. An upgraded 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens is one of the standout features. It would significantly increase image quality in low light. It is anticipated that this lens would function similarly to the 48-megapixel wide camera, combining information from 4 pixels into 1 superpixel through the use of pixel binning. There have been rumors about an 8-piece hybrid lens for the 48-megapixel wide-angle camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. With its 2 glass elements and 6 plastic elements, this lens should perform better. Apple is also rumored to be improving the ultra-wide and telephoto camera lenses. An intriguing development might be the possibility of 5x telephoto lenses for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max in 2024. Before now, this capability was exclusive to the bigger Pro Max model, but it appears Apple intends to add it to both. Regarding design, it is anticipated that the regular iPhone 16 models will use a vertical camera configuration like the iPhone 12. It is predicted that this modification will allow wide and ultra-wide cameras for spatial video recording. This theory is supported by leaked photos of the iPhone 16 camera chassis and case molds. Speaking of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, rumors are circulating that a super-telephoto periscope camera would provide a noticeably higher optical zoom. Although this material originates from a Weibo user who has a reputation for accurate leaks, it has not yet been verified by another trustworthy source. Given that super or ultra telephoto lenses usually have a focal length of more than 300 millimeters, if this is accurate, it would be an exciting addition. Since the iPhone's telephoto lens is now equal to a 77 millimeters lens, an improvement of this kind would significantly improve zoom capabilities. Let's talk about battery life next. The impending iPhone 16 Pro variants are the subject of much talk. Rumor has it that these state-of-the-art gadgets may have stacked batteries. This innovative technology, frequently used in electric cars and medical equipment, may allow the iPhone 16 Pro models to have a larger capacity and a longer lifespan. It's important to remember that stacked batteries are still a relatively recent development in the smartphone industry. That's not all, though. Additionally, rumors say that upcoming iPhones may include 20-watt MagSafe and 40-watt wired charging, which would be quicker. For those of you power-hungry users out there, there's good news. Prepare yourself to experience a whole new level of power and longevity with the iPhone 16 Pro, which is believed to see a slight boost in battery life across most iPhone 16 variants. Let's talk about the size modifications next. It is expected that the next iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max would have bigger screens. A 6.27-inch display rounded to 6.3 inches is what many sources predict for the iPhone 16 Pro, while a 6.85-inch display rounded to 6.9 inches is anticipated for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone's body proportions will grow in tandem with the size of the display. It is anticipated that both versions would be identical in thickness to the iPhone 15 Pro variants, but they will be broader and taller. The weight of the iPhones will slightly rise due to the increased size, but the basic form and design will remain the same. Conversely, the dimensions of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are anticipated to remain unchanged from those of their predecessors, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Let's talk about the 5G modem chips next. The Snapdragon X75 modem from Qualcomm may be included in the next generation of iPhone 16 Pro models, offering a 5G connection that is both faster and more effective. The X75, according to Qualcomm, has improved carrier aggregation and a combined sub-6 GHz and MEM Wave 5G transceiver that uses up to 20% less power and 25% less circuit board area. Apple may promote the iPhone 16 Pro models as having cutting-edge 5G advanced connection, as Qualcomm's X75 supports the 5G advanced standard, incorporating AI and machine learning advancements for 5G. The Qualcomm X70 processor, also included in the iPhone 15 versions, is anticipated to be included in the basic iPhone 16 models. To lessen its dependency on Qualcomm, Apple is actively striving to build its own modem chip and antenna system, although it is doubtful that these products will be ready for release before 2024. However, according to well-known Apple expert Ming-Chi Kuo, modem chips made by Apple will launch in 2025. Exciting things are coming for those who love iPhones. Let's discuss Wi-Fi 7. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, an Apple analyst, the iPhone 16 Pro versions may be shipped with Wi-Fi 7, a next-generation technology with a 40 GHz maximum speed. With 4K quadrature amplitude modulation, QAM support, and the capacity to use 320 mAh channels, Wi-Fi 7 can achieve up to 2.4 times the speed of Wi-Fi 6. This technology provides more dependable communication, lower latency, and quicker maximum transfer rates. Although the iPhone 16 Pro models could be the only ones with access to Wi-Fi 7, the regular iPhone 16 models might get an upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E, which uses the 6 GHz Wi-Fi band. At the moment, only the iPhone 15 Pro versions support Wi-Fi 6E. These have been the only significant leaks about the impending iPhone 16 lineup so far. Share your expectations with us in the comments section below. Check out our channel for additional updates, and I'll see you all in the next one until we meet again. Goodbye, peace.